So friends, all of us are witness to a very rapid digitalization of every aspect of human life. The digitalized component of the global economy has grown many folds in the past 1 decade. We have seen as from the presentation made by Mr. Rishabh, how it has further grown during the COVID time. Every stakeholder, such as investor, consumer, tech companies, have profited from this phenomenon, except the revenue authorities across the world. And it has become such a serious bone of geopolitical contention across the world. The OECD was tasked. Yes. The OECD was tasked by the G20 to work out some sort of acceptable model for digital taxation. But even after 7 years of very rigorous and sincere homework, consensus looks distant and fractious. The OECD has announced that by middle of the 2021, a consensus may emerge on the horizon. Meanwhile, there is a virtual rush among a large number of tax jurisdictions to impose digital service tax as they appear to be running out of patience. Let me go to the first speaker, Mr. Kamlesh Varshney. So India has introduced utilization levy as a stopgap arrangement. Do you think that India would also go for digital tax if the OECD fails to arrive at any meaningful solution by the middle of 2021?
Thank you, Shailendra, and thank you everyone for giving this opportunity to share our views. Shailendra, your question is difficult to answer because what India would do, probably it's not contemplated at this point of time, because we are hopeful that we are going to get a consensus in the inclusive framework. A lot of progress has been made by 137 countries who are part of inclusive framework. But yes, there are many open questions. If you see the blueprint which has been released by OECD last week or about 14 days back, there are a lot of open questions. But we are confident, and India is making all efforts to ensure that consensus is arrived, because we are fully aware of the fact that it is only multilateral consensus solution which could be a very effective way of taxing digital economy. And what will happen if that consensus is not arrived at? That question probably is not possible to answer at this point of time. Thank you.
Right, sir. So let me